how to share template in Notion. So first open up Notion and then just choose the page that you want to share. So here, for example, this is mine and I want to share it. So just going to share here on the top. And then here, there are two ways that you can do this. The first one is just type in their email here. So I'm just going to type in something like this, and then you can just click on invite, and then that person just needs to accept the invite. Okay. So of course you can also change their kind of access here, whether they have full access, can edit, can comment, or can view. Okay. And then press invite, and there you go. Now you just need to accept the invite. Okay. So the other one here is you can also share this template by just copying this link, but before that you can just change their general access here to anyone on the web with link, or you can just change it to only people invited, whatever you want, and then change their access here, whether they can edit, comment, or can view only. Okay. And then you can just click on copy link and then just share this link to anyone via social media, messenger, WhatsApp, whatever you want. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.